Welcome to Electrical Estimation. This is the first tutorial and today we are going to learn about basics of electrical estimation. If you already know about the basics, you can skip to tutorial 2. For beginners, two questions come up when they hear about electrical estimation. First, what is electrical estimation? Second, why we need electrical estimation? When we construct a building which is called a new project, there are different materials used in construction. When the basic structure is built up, then we need to install electrical work, which includes lighting, power outlets, and fire alarm, etc. In US market, whenever a new project comes up, the contractors in that area acquire the drawings for that project. Then they estimate the cost to build up that project. After estimating and calculating a total cost, they bid on that job. If they are the lowest bidder, they get the job. Same is the case with electrical estimation. Electrical contractors get the electrical drawings and estimate the total cost from drawings. Then they bid for electrical work. That's where an estimator comes into play. The job of an estimator is very critical. If he is accurate in his estimates, he can win the job for the contractor. Next question is, what is included in electrical estimation? You all will have seen an electrical meter installed outside your house and a supply coming to that meter from a utility transformer. That's where it all begins. Supply enters your house from that meter. The meter measures the total electricity used. This electricity is distributed in your house through panel boards. If you are an estimator, you need to estimate the electrical cost from that transformer to the house, everything which is related to electrical, i.e. lighting, power outlets, and fire alarm, etc. Next question. What are the basic instruments needed to start estimation? You need three things to start estimating. You need a set of drawings. Second, you need a software to upload those drawings and do the measurements. There are many softwares in the market for electrical estimation. You can use any of them. We will be using PlanSwift throughout these tutorials. You need an Excel sheet where you can add the description of items. That's it from first tutorial. In second tutorial, we are going to learn about drawings, Excel sheet, and functionality of PlanSwift. Thank you.